Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for NEET exam. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to crack the NEET exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's keep this community growing. And obviously also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. The question is, the pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in human belongs to the same kingdom of organisms as that of. Options are Rhizopus, a mold, Ascaris, a roundworm, Tinea, a tapeworm, and Wuchereria, a filarial worm. The answer will be option 1, Rhizopus, a mold. Here, the pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in human belongs to the same kingdom of organisms as that of Rhizopus, a mold, fungus that grows in the form of a multicellular filaments called hyphae. Because both Microsporum and Rhizopus belong to kingdom fungi, so here the correct answer is Rhizopus, a mold. Select the correct statement from the ones given below. The options are: barbiturates when given to criminals make them tell the truth. Morphine is often given to persons who have undergone surgery as a painkiller. Chewing tobacco lowers blood pressure and heart rate. Option 4, cocaine is given to patients after surgery as it stimulates recovery. Here the correct answer will be option 2, morphine, which is often given to persons who have undergone surgery as a painkiller, because barbiturates are sedative hypnotics, which means they have sleep-inducing effects. Morphine is a strong sedative and analgesic. It acts on central nervous system. It is useful for patients who have undergone surgery. Tobacco increases the release of adrenaline, due to which blood pressure and heart rate increased. Cocaine is a natural stimulant. It stimulates the nervous system and delays fatigue. So the correct answer is morphine is often given to a person who have undergone surgery as a painkiller. Now the next question is, ringworm in humans is caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi and nematodes. Here the correct answer will be option 3, fungi, because ringworm is a fungal infection of the skin and not due to worm. The condition is named for the site of body where the infection occurs. It causes a scaly crusted rash that may appear round red patches on the skin. So here the correct answer is fatigue, option 3. Next question: which one of the following statements is correct with respect to AIDS? Option 1, the causative HIV retroviruses enters helper T lymphocytes, thus reducing their numbers. The HIV can be transmitted through eating food together with an infected person. Option 3, drug addicts are least susceptible to HIV infection. Option 4, AIDS patients are being fully cured 100% with proper care and nutrition. Here the correct answer will be option 1, the causative HIV retrovirus enters helper T lymphocytes, thus reducing their numbers. Because HIV is a retrovirus that primarily infects components of the human immune system such as CD4 T cells, macrophages and dendritic cell. It directly and indirectly destroys CD4 plus T cells. So the correct option is the causative HIV retrovirus reduces the number of T helper lymphocytes. The next question: fastest distribution of some injectable material or medicine and with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting into the muscles, arteries, veins and lymph vessels. Here the correct answer will be option 3, arteries, because intravenous injection is favored as the full effects of the drug are experienced very quickly in 5 to 10 seconds. It also bypasses first pass metabolism in the liver, resulting in a higher bioavailability for drugs and oral ingestion. So users get a stronger effect from the same amount of drug. Intramuscular injections are more painful and drug absorption is variable and unpredictable. So here the correct answer is option 3, veins. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful it if you enjoyed this one.